Upgrade your patio with a purpose so your outdoor kitchen feels like an extension of your home and not an afterthought. Start by mapping the workflow between food preparation, cooking, and serving so you place the built-in grill and sink with efficient counter space between them. A good rule is to allow at least 3 feet of continuous countertop on the cooking side and a clear work triangle that keeps traffic away from hot surfaces. Choose a covered patio with durable decking or pavers rated for outdoor kitchens to prevent moisture damage and make cleaning simple. Concrete pavers or porcelain tiles over a proper substrate are low maintenance and resist cracking compared with some woods. Specify weatherproof cabinets made from stainless steel or marine-grade polymer and use continuous stainless steel drawers and full extension slides to protect hardware. Seal all cabinet penetrations and elevate bases slightly to avoid standing water. Plan gas and electrical runs now and hire licensed professionals to install dedicated circuits, GFCI protected outlets, and a properly sized gas line with shutoff valves placed where you can access them quickly. Label everything and get permits to ensure inspections catch wiring or gas sizing errors. Add functional shade structures like a pergola with a retractable canopy or a solid roof that ties into your home drainage plan so rain and sun do not interrupt use. Include heaters rated for outdoor use with proper clearances for safe operation. Finish with lighting layered into task, ambient, and safety zones using low voltage or LED fixtures, and install a separate outdoor circuit for refrigeration and a weatherproof receptacle for small appliances. Common mistakes start with poor workflow planning, which leaves cooks cramped or guests in the way. Fix this by sketching activities and dimensions before selecting appliances and lock-in counter runs that support prep to service. Another frequent issue is underspecified utilities, where undersized gas lines or shared circuits cause poor appliance performance. Avoid that by having a licensed plumber and electrician calculate loads and run dedicated lines with permits. A third problem is choosing non-rated materials that fail fast under sun and moisture. Choose rated decking, stainless or polymer cabinetry, sealed stone or porcelain counters, and protect junctions and fasteners with proper corrosion-resistant hardware. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners search for local contractors who post profiles and project photos so we can compare styles and availability relevant to outdoor kitchen and patio upgrades. We also offer a discussion community where we and other members exchange installation tips, contractor experiences, and sourcing advice while contractors can find work and connect with motivated homeowners.